Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. Aaron is actually fishing today, so Lorelai and I are going to surprise him and make some Blondie brownies. He is doing keto and right now he's doing so good, so we're gonna surprise him so when he gets home he has a sweet treat. So follow along with us and we'll show you how to make your own. The first ingredient you need is 2 cups of almond flour. Our next ingredient is 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then you mix that all together. Okay, for our wet ingredients, you need 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you need 1 cup of sweetener. We use stevia. All right, and then half a cup of softened butter. So you can just pour that whole thing in there at one time.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. All right, and then you're gonna take your whisk and you're gonna mix it around as good as you can.
Ooh, that looks so cool. But that's like we're mixing slime.
Mm-hmm. And you're gonna break those egg yolks up real good. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to mix our wet with our dry. So go ahead and pour the wet. And then you can use the spoon if you need to get the rest out. All right, and now just stir around and mix it good. You want it to be the consistency of like brownies or a cake. Okay, now you're going to want to add in half a cup of dark chocolate chips. And then you just kind of fold those in. Once everything's mixed together, you will bake at 350 in an 8x8 baking dish for 20 to 25 minutes.
Daddy's finally home and now he's ready to try the brownies.
Are you gonna try them?
Yeah. I want a little piece.
Okay. We'll have it.
Okay.
What kind of brownies are these?
I can't remember. I want the little side in case if I don't like it.
Tell the camera.
It's good. I need to go get some more.
That was really good.
Pretty good?
Guys, I was away fishing and come home to some keto Blondie brownies. And let me tell you, I don't know if it's just because I haven't had sugar in 6 weeks, but these are really good. We'll post the recipe in the comments below.